Today's featured car of the day is a 1959 Ford Thunderbird convertible. And this car I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $40,000. And this was a real nice car. It had a rebuilt engine and transmission, a new top, interior, and brakes. And it was purchased originally by this owner in January 1991 in Scottsdale, Arizona, at a cruise auction back then. And it had not been in the rain since he had owned it. So, also the air conditioning and radio were inoperable. But the fact that it sold for $40,000 tells you how nice of a car it was. And 1959 being the metal year of the second generation Thunderbirds, which were made from 1958 through 1960. And when they went to the second generation, they quadrupled their sales. They sold 200,000 of the 58 through 60 Thunderbirds versus 50,000 of the 55 through 57 T-Birds. Those were two-seaters, and Ford thought that everybody would be interested in a four-seater, and that would increase their sales, and they got it right on the money. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.